Retro Vintage Bazaar at the world famous Daytona Flea and Farmers Market. Saturday, Super Saturday sale. Everything's on sale. Come on down. Nice vintage jewelry. Antique sewing. All kinds of vintage film cameras, movie cameras. 8mm movies. Old radios. All kinds of 45 records, 4-track tapes, LP records, vintage kitchen, antique postcards, greeting cards, books, vintage dolls, antique dolls, old toys, a little bit of everything, old luggage. Mixed media supplies, altered art supplies, all priced to go. Come on down, Retro Vintage Bazaar, Daytona Flea and Farmers Market, Daytona Beach, Florida.